there, welcome to my channel. My name's Ruth. I'm a Christian integrative nutrition health coach. If you're wondering what that means, well, let me tell you. As a health coach, I've been helping women overcome debilitating fatigue, brain fog, and anxiety so that they can have thriving health and energy. I believe that our bodies are fearfully and wonderfully made by our Creator, and they have the ability to heal themselves given the right tools and resources. Now, you may be wondering what integrative nutrition health means. It's a fancy term that means I look at the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. I create a personalized approach to health and wellness. I really don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach because we're all unique and have different needs. One of the things I specialize in is full body detoxing. We live in a world that is full of toxins, from glyphosate and pesticides to parasites, heavy metals, mycotoxins, and radiation. These toxins can wreak havoc on our body, leading to all sorts of health problems. But with the right detoxing method, we can help our bodies eliminate these toxins and regain our health. Now, I know what you're thinking. Detoxing sounds scary and miserable, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be. I believe in a gentle, sustainable approach to detoxing that won't leave you feeling deprived or miserable. And yes, we can even add a little bit of humor to the process because talking about parasites is really fun. But detoxing is just one piece to the puzzle. I also help women build a healthy, sustainable lifestyle that is centered around loving God and others. You see, I believe that our health is not just about what we eat or how much we exercise. It's about our mindset, our relationships, and our connection to God. That's why I'm so passionate about helping women thrive in all areas of their lives. When we are healthy and energized, we can show up as our best and be present for the people we love. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? Loving God and loving others. So if you're tired of feeling tired, anxious, and overwhelmed, and if you're ready to take back control of your health and your life, I'm here to help. I'll be creating regular health content right here on my YouTube channel. So if you're looking for tips and tricks to help you live a healthier, more vibrant life, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by tapping the bell. I can't wait to share all my knowledge and expertise with you and help you on your journey to thriving health. Thanks for tuning in.